Hi guys, we're here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, and we're talking with Mr. Mike Dugan. Mr. Dugan is a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing. How was your experience working with Gator Metal Roofing?
I really enjoy the people doing all the work up there. To me, I like it. People go by, they stop, they say, hey, that's beautiful. I said, well, they're from Gator. And they said, well, we'll look into it, and that was it.
Would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Yes, they asked me. Sure, I talked to them about it. They like it, they see it.
So Mr. Dugan, when it came to switching from shingles to a metal roof,
I'd rather have metal.
you'd rather have metal. What
Yeah.
stuck out to you about metal versus shingle?
It's solid. It's better than shingles. Shingles rips up easy. Storms take shingles off, and it's a pain in the butt to replace them, and I got tired of it, so I thought, let's go for metal.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for going green with the Gator.
Okay, honey.